What's up? MMT Fan 1 here. It's been several years since I last did a video. If I go around here around the US Paralympic Museum in Colorado Springs, more specifically, Park Union Bridge. Look over here. This doesn't mean I'm out of retirement. I figured I'd film this one. Don't know what it is, but the only thing I know is that it has been filmed before. See the doors? Showing this on my Canon EOS Rebel T2i with a 1855mm lens. And there is no continuous autofocus, so I have to set the manual, so I hope this is sharp. Anyway, here we are. See? Don't know what brand this is. Not sure, I'll find out and put it in the description. Not really that much of a view. See, here we are. Two. See if the door close works. It does. One more trip. Watch it go down. Watch our view. See a little bit of this. All I know right now is this is a generic contract elevator. As you all found out in the description below. So look at the beautiful park out there, by the way. Closes up. That's it for the special video. Hope you enjoyed it.